Hey there, today I want to show you how you can use AI or artificial intelligence to build a website even if you don't have anything at all. I'm going to go from the very beginning all the way through a built site. And for today I'm going to do a demo for an RV park. We've built some websites for RV parks, so I thought this would be a good one to demonstrate. First of all, I'm going to go into Chat GPT and use it to create a logo. They have the Dolly plugin, and hopefully that's going to create a logo for us. So I'm going to ask Chat GPT to create a logo. Vector, I can't spell. Logo for Cotton View RV Park. I just made up this name. And let's see what happens. Okay, not bad. I think this is usable. Well, it's RW Park. Whoops. Well, we're going to go ahead and use this. You might could play around with Chat GPT or some other logo designer to get this better, but let's just go ahead and use this for now. So we've got a logo. Okay. If you don't have a domain name, I would suggest registering a domain name. We are resellers for GoDaddy, so you could go to shop.rodigital.com and search. Namecheap is another popular option. Basically, you just enter the domain name that you are interested in buying and search to see if it's available. If it's not, you might be able to find something close. So now we're going to switch gears, and I'm going to demonstrate ZipWP, which is a brand new AI website builder for WordPress, and I'm really excited because it takes a lot of time to build a website from scratch, but ZipWP generates some fairly good websites with just some text prompts. So I'm going to start out. I'm going to do a complete website, and this is for a business, and the name of our business is Cotton View RV Park. And we are an RV park located near Memphis, Tennessee. We have beautiful views and cotton fields nearby. Okay, so we're going to improve this using AI, and that's going to help write content. So even if you have no content at all and you're not a good writer, the AI can help you come up with content. Okay, so I would say this is good enough to get started. So I'm going to click continue. Okay, and so from here we can start selecting images. So let's go through and see what looks good, what you like, what you don't like. And you can always, and I recommend actually that you upload your own images, but just have some for placeholders just to get you started. Okay, yeah, let's see, there's some cotton. Okay, so I think this is enough to get started, so let's click continue. Okay, from here we can enter our address, phone number. I'm just gonna make up some numbers here. Okay, and if you have social media accounts, you can add those here as well. Okay, so from here, we're given several ideas for design. So you can scroll through these and see what look you like the most. And this is probably one of the most important things in planning out your design, is make sure you're happy with this, because the site's going to be built based on this template. You can go in and change the images, text, so forth, but it's going to be a little bit more complicated to change out the design. So it's quite a few options. I think I'm going to go with this one right here. This looks like a good option. And I'm going to click continue and start building the website. And I'm going to pause the video. This typically takes about 3 minutes. I'm going to pause it and then start recording again once it's built. Okay, I paused the video for approximately 3 or 4 minutes, and now our website has been created. So I'm going to click customize the website. And it's prompting for a database update. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so we have a good first draft for a website for an RV park. So this actually looks pretty good. Okay, so let's choose the colors. I don't know that I like this blue for an RV park. Maybe green. Yeah, I think, let's see, green, brown. I think either one of those look okay. Let's just stick with the tan. We can always go in and change that later. And then we can also look at different font options. I like that. So once again, these can be changed later. I'm going to click save. Okay, so now we have the website, and from here we can go in and edit it. And this is using WordPress with Gutenberg block editor. And so each section you can select it, and within the section you can type and change any text that you want. You can also change the photo by selecting style and then change image. So if there was something else you would like to see for that main photo, you can. And what I would recommend here is just putting photos of your own RV park inside of here rather than stock images, and use your own text as well. So I'm going to update this. I did change the main header image. Okay, and let's view it and see what it looks like. Okay, I think this is a good start, and considering I've spent maybe 10 minutes on it, I'm going to go in and change the logo. So you can go to the header builder and site title and logo, and I went ahead and did a better logo that says RV instead of RW, like the one that was originally generated. This is actually generated with Chat GPT as well. I always recommend using alt text. That helps with accessibility and search engine optimization. So it's always important, any images that you upload, to enter alt text there. Okay, so I'm going to crop the logo. Okay, and we can change the size of it if we want to. We can make it larger. We can hide the site title if we want to by clicking on that. So this is desktop, tablet, mobile. So if I wanted to hide it in all 3 areas, I can. And if I wanted to make the logo, just a little bit bigger, I can resize it and publish. Okay. And from within the WordPress dashboard, you can go to all the different pages and edit. If you wanted to add a new page, you can. There's ways that you can duplicate existing pages and edit those. So basically, the next thing you would want to do is set up a hosting account and then migrate this site over to your hosting account. And I can record a video in the future on how to do that, and put some information in the links about different hosting accounts that we recommend. So yeah, in less than 10 minutes, we have built at least a good template for a website using AI. Feel free to have any questions and comments, just put them in the link below. Hope you have a great day. Bye.